Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are cooking up something warm and comforting, the famous Bisibelebath. This one pot meal is a South Indian classic that's perfect for any day when you want something flavorful, hearty, and satisfying meal. Whether you are new to Bisibelebath or a pro, I've got a foolproof recipe that'll make your craving more. Let's dive right in. First, we need to get our base right. In a big bowl, take 3/4 cup of tur dal and 3/4 cup of rice. Give it a quick rinse and add some water. Let it soak for about 20 minutes. It's the perfect time to prep our veggies. Here's where the freshness come in. Roughly chop 2 carrots, 1 capsicum, about 10 to 12 beans, and 1 small navel kosu. The rough chops give our Bisibelebath that rustic homemade feel. Then soak a lemon-sized bowl of tamarind in hot water to get all that tangy goodness ready for later. Now take a pressure cooker and add your soaked rice and lentils. In goes 1 cup of green peas and all our freshly chopped veggies. We are looking for that perfect balance of lentils and veggies here. Next, pour in 6 glasses of water. Add a pinch of turmeric, a tablespoon of oil, and cook everything for about 3 whistles. Simple, right? While that's cooking away, let's work on masala. Take your soaked tamarind water and mix in 5 to 6 tablespoons of homemade Bisibelebath powder. Trust me, this is where all the magic lies. To balance the flavors, add a 1/4 tablespoon of jaggery, sweet and tangy. Now heat a pan and drizzle a little oil. Toss in 2 roughly chopped tomatoes. Let them soften up nicely before adding the flavorful masala mix we just made. Now add masala paste. Give it a simmer. You can already smell the magic happening, right? Now it's time to bring in the cooked rice, lentils and veggies from the pressure cooker. Transfer them into the pan, mix everything well and watch those flavors come alive. If the consistency seems too thick, just add a little more water to get that perfect Bisibelebath texture. And here comes my favorite part, the tempering. In a ladle, heat a tablespoon of ghee and add a Kashmiri red chili, a tablespoon of mustard seeds, and a pinch of asafoetida. Let it splutter and sizzle away before pouring it over the Bisibelebath. This step really takes the flavor to the next level. There you have it, a steamy aromatic bowl of Bisibelebath ready to be devoured. The spicy, tangy and flavorful mix is at its best when served hot, just as the name suggests. And if you want to make it even better, pair it with some crunchy kara bundi on the side. In case you missed it, I'll be sharing the link of how to make both homemade Bisibelebath powder and kara bundi at the end of this video. So do check. Trust me, it's easier than you think. If you enjoyed today's recipe, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more delicious homemade goodness. Let me know in the comments if you try it out, and until next time, keep cooking and keep smiling.